Hi, I'm back with a brand new video, and I am JHMV2. Welcome back, and check out my latest videos at the end of this video. I will leave the links to the Anime Haul Part 2 and unboxing REM Halloween version. I'm super excited to unbox this kitty, Nendroid Rin Tasaka. So it's Unboxer, and I'm a lover. I'm a big fan of Rin Tasaka from Fate Stay Night, and it is so awesome. So can't wait to dive into this. So it's unboxing time.
We're not in love. We share no stories. Just something in your eyes. Take me through the night, fall into the dark side. We don't need the light. We'll live on the dark side. I see it. Let's feel it while we're still young and fearless. Let go of the light, fall into the dark side.
Hi, welcome back for a brand new video and doing the unboxing of Rin Tasaka. If you see the front of the box, it is 409, and you've got this window with Rin Tasaka and her accessories. Flip the side of the box, you've got her different impressions, the poses, and you have her with the as the sword, and you've got the magic and impression on her face there. And the back of the box, you can see three different photos, windows. You've got her holding the sword again, and her pose with the glasses, and the back of the box you've got her folding her arms. And the same with that side, it's the same but different. Glasses with her left hand holding up her chin and her glasses, and then you got her folding her arms again. Pretty awesome. The front of the box, and you got the top of the box here. 409 Tasaka, Rin Tasaka from Fate Stay Night. If you know Rin Tasaka, I love her, I adore her. She's the best waifu girl ever. So awesome. She's super cute. And the bottom of the box here, we've got her showing again 409 Tasaka Rin. So it's time to unbox her, and so let's have a look.
We're not in love. We share no stories. Just something in your eyes. Don't be afraid. The shadows know me. Let's leave the world behind. Take me through the night, fall into the dark side. We don't need the light. We'll live on the dark side. I see it. Let's feel it while we're still young and fearless. Let go of the light, fall into the dark side. Fall into the dark side. Give into the dark side. Let go of the light, fall into the dark side. Beneath the sky, as black as diamonds, we're running out of time. Don't wait for truth to come and blind us. Let's just believe the lies. Believe it, I see it. I know that you can feel it. No secrets worth keeping, so fool me like I'm dreaming. Take me through the night, fall into the dark side. We don't need the light, we'll live on the dark side. I see it, let's feel it while we're still young and fearless. Let go of the light, fall into the dark side.
Right, have a look at her face poses. This one is her proud face, and there's a few missing. I think I remember there is 3 faces plates. This one here is Pride Rin Tosaka, and this one is her impression, and it's pretty cool. And you come back. But there is a one face impression, one with her mouth. I think that's her, and that's her in her mode. She's doing like a combat mission on Fate Stay Night. If you don't know what Rin Tosaka is, she's from Fate Stay Night. Okay. And check out this one. This is her magic weapon. She does her potion. This is the magic. It's pretty cool. And awesome. Her glasses is so cute. And I'll love to check that one. And her sword is this sword here is the one with the hand on her. This is the Asta sword. Part of that one. And on this sword, it is the dual sword, which is pretty cool. Right, and you've got the arms and got the left and right leg. Sorry, left and right arm, and then you've got these ones are bent orders, so she can cross or fold her arms and so on. It's a pretty cool figure, and I hope you liked the video, and drop your comments down below. Fate Stay Night 409 Rin Tosaka in Android. It's pretty cool. This is a quick unboxing video, and she looks so adorable. You've got her pigtails of her black bows, which is nice, and her paint job is fantastic, decent job, and yeah, she's super awesome. Right, we're going to put her on the stand, and we'll go from there. Right, I'm going to put her on the stand and then just do one impression of her just based on this one. This is her comeback face mode, which is pretty cool.